Here's a new 2019 Ram 1500. Nature can be nasty, but this 1500 is built to take it on. It empowers you to conquer all of life's terrains. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, heavy duty shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.